have mud all over my face.
I told you. I kept telling her she had mud, and I didn't understand how she kept getting more, but she did. Just kept showing up all over her face.
Look at it, like, oh.
So, on the way down, we saw how many people?
9.
And this was at like 3 p.m. There is absolutely no way they could have made it. So the first 2 guys didn't have shirts on and were wearing shorts. Next 2 girls were wearing like booty shorts. Then we came across a couple, a guy and a girl, who said they got lost for several hours and just finally found the right trail and were now trying to go up. And they said they thought it was like close. They thought they were getting close. And I was like, no, you're hours away, 2 hours at best. And I want to tell you why, but let's go home and tell you why from home.
I need shower and food.
There's a minivan coming by. So, right where that car just turned, see the blue light? That blue light is the security guard. So the other option is, it still is very early, and we could drive to the other side of the mountain. See all those clouds? That's a problem. And there's a tropical storm incoming. It was downgraded from a hurricane, but that's still going to mean a lot of clouds. Look for the stairs. Go ahead and read some of that again.
You'll see a trail leading up to the bushes. Follow that and you'll come to a green metal fence, which you should go through and continue down the wide trail.
It's 7 a.m. This park is supposed to open at 7 a.m., but no one has opened it, so we just jumped the fence so we can get this hike started.
There will be many forks along this road that actually just meet up a few seconds later, so don't worry about them. Just follow the road for approximately 1 hour or count 16 concrete bridges.
There's number 1. There's number 2. There's number 3. There's number 4. Here's number 6. There's number 8. There's number 9. There's number 9. Or was that 10? Was that 9? Oh, shit. I think that was 10. I'm going with 10. There's number 10. Okay, there's number 11. It's been a while since we've seen one of these. Finally hit number 12. Aha! There's number 13. There's number 14. There's number 15.
At some points you will go off into the bush with low-hanging branches, as it may seem like you have lost the road, but just keep going until you see another concrete bridge and you will know you are on the right path.
Wet foot. There's number 16.
Shortly after the 16th concrete bridge, you will need to turn left and cross over the creek. Beware that there is a turn before that, and that is the not correct trail. Don't go that way. You should go this way. In 15 feet, we'll get to Middle Ridge.
Now, hold on.
Huh.
Oh, I noticed that in that picture, and on the blog you read, it showed a picture of that girl.
Oh yeah,
This is the trail right here. It's hidden.
Once you cross the creek, you will see a carving in the wood that says Middle Ridge. That will indicate you're on the right path. There it is, Middle Ridge.
Oh yeah.
Once you've passed these signs, you will immediately start on your steep incline to the top, and it is just one narrow path to follow the rest of the way. Look at that.
Still have some blue sky. That's definitely a good thing. Well, this has kind of started to take a turn for the worst. That mist turned into actual rain. We're still going, but the wind has picked up, and the wind, I'm hiding from it right now, but the wind almost worries you. It almost feels like it could blow you right off. Well, we're gonna keep going. I gotta imagine we're getting close. Well,
Not meant to be happening.
just talked to some people that were coming down. They said they made it all the way to the top, but they said the next part's the hardest part, and it's probably 45 minutes if you go fast. So I think we got further to go than we thought. But I don't want to turn around, do you?
No, I just want someone to magically transport me there and then transport me back down.
What? We wanted to get out of the weather for a little bit and just kind of get ready to go back. We've decided we're going to go check out the stairs since we're here, and then we're going to go back the same way we came. That's where the car is, and we don't want to, and we've done it this far, we don't want to risk the ticket and the fine. Pretty exhausting in this weather though. But we made it all the way to the top. It was hell, but we made it.
This is not heaven. They lied.
Remember those people at the beginning of the video that we said were not going to make it? Well, now you can see why. The weather was getting worse. They were just not prepared, and it was too late in the day. If you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know I'm not new to backcountry hiking. And I would say this was one of the most dangerous trails that I have been on. There was no doubt that the illegal stairs would have been the safer route. If they ever open up the stairs, we will definitely go back to take in some of the views we did not get on this trip. I hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments section so I can help you on your trek to the top. I'm going to show you some of the footage on the way back down because there's some really good shots there. Thanks for watching. This is probably the sketchiest spot in the entire trek. This mountaintop washed away.
So we're on our way back down, and we can finally see again.
The rain is still following us. Now it's raining here. We made it back. How great does that feel?
Oh my god, my toes are all shriveled. Ew. They're gross looking. My feet. They're all waterlogged and nasty. I've never had my feet look so gross before. Ugh. Okay, give me a kiss since one of us dies.
I gotta say, I don't think I'd recommend this in the rain and mist. It's more treacherous than it already is. But we're not turning back.